Ever walked into somebody's home and think, wow, this space is absolutely stunning. How do they pull it off? Well, guess what? You don't need to be an interior designer to create a beautiful space. Today, I am spilling 10 incredible stylish secrets that can totally transform your home, and they are surprisingly easy to apply. Ready to unlock your inner design? Let's dive in. A neutral base is like a blank canvas, thick white, beige, or soft gray walls, neutral furniture, and simple flooring. This gives you the flexibility to layer in colors, patterns, and textures without overwhelming the space. Let's say you have a beige couch. You can throw on colorful pillows, bold rugs, or fun artwork without clashing. Plus, if you ever want a fresh look, you don't have to replace the big ticket item. Just swipe out the accents. If you're unsure about a color palette, start neutral and add one or two accent colors. It's simple and timeless. Play with scale and proportion. A room feels more dynamic when you mix large and small elements. Avoid having everything the same size, it can make your space feel flat. If you have a large sectional sofa, balance it with a statement like fixtures or oversized art, then add smaller pieces like a sleek coffee table or tiny planters for contrast. Think of your space like a song. You need a mix of loud and soft notes to keep it interesting. Use the rule of three. The rule of three is a classic design trick that creates balance and interest. Group items in sets of three, it feels natural to the eyes. On a shelf, you might pair a framed photo, a vase, and a small sculpture. On a table, it could be a book, a plant, and a candle. Easy, right? Vary the heights and textures of the items for even more impact. Lighting can make or break a room. Lighting isn't just functional, it sets the mood. The secret? Layer your lighting, combine overhead lights, task lighting, and ambient lighting for a cozy, well-lit space. In a living room, use a chandelier or ceiling light, add a table lamp for reading, and finish with a soft glow floor lamp in the corner. Don't forget to dim it all down in the evening for that perfect vibe. Swap out harsh white bulbs for warm LED ones. It instantly makes your space feel inviting. Anchor your room with a rug. A rug does so much more than cover the floor. It defines the space and pulls everything together. The trick is getting the right size. Too small and it throws off the balance. For a living room, your rug should be big enough to fit under at least the front legs of your furniture. In a bedroom, it should extend beyond the sides of your bed. Want to make a room feel bigger? Go for a larger rug. It creates the illusion of more space. Mix textures for a cozy look. Texture is what makes a space feel layered and cozy. Smooth, shiny, rough, soft, mixing textures create depth and visual interest. Imagine a velvet armchair paired with a woven basket and a fluffy rug. Each piece has a different texture and together they create a cozy vibe. If your space feels flat, add texture with throws, cushions, or natural materials like wood or stone. Add life with plants. Plants are the easiest way to breathe life into a space. They add color, texture, and a touch of nature. A fiddle leaf fig in the corner or some hanging ivy in the kitchen can completely change the vibe of a room. Not a plant person? Go for low maintenance ones like succulent or snake plants, or fake it with high quality fox plants. Personalize with art and photos. Art and personal photos make your space truly yours. They tell your story and create a focal point in the room. Create a gallery wall with a mix of framed photos and print, or go bold with one large statement piece above your couch or bed. Don't stress about perfect placements. Lay everything out on the floor first to see how it looks together. Declutter for instant style. Sometimes the best styling trick is to simply clear out the clutter. Too much stuff makes even the best decor look messy. Use storage baskets, ottomans with hidden compartments, or shelving to keep things tidy but accessible. If you don't use it or love it, let it go. It's amazing how much bigger and cleaner your space will feel. Don't be afraid to break the rules. Here is the ultimate secret. There are no hard rules in design. Your home should reflect your personality, so if you love something, go for it, even if it breaks the rules. Mixing modern and vintage or combining bold patterns and colors, if it makes you happy, that's all that matters. When in doubt, step back and ask yourself, does this space feel like me? If yes, then you've nailed it. So which of these style secrets are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your plans. And hey, if you found this video and tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with a friend who loves home decor. Until next time, happy styling and see you then.